Why would it? It just goes straight in. The internet says straight in.
Remember, it didn't line. We might be in the wrong selection.
Drive-by hopes and dreams. Coming up next on the Mullet Media channel, it's Barry time!
This is all yours.
I can't believe it works. I forgot I could just lift it. That's awesome!
Oh my god!
It works!
Oh my god!
It works!
It fucking works.
It's got a barrow in it.
Oh my god. Oh
It's got a barrow.
God. I did not think it was going to work. The whole time I'm like, something's going to fucking not work.
It's got a barrow.
Fucking Bill Hooton, you fucking legend, and Davo.
It's got a barrow.
Oh my god.
It's got a barrow.
All we got to do is chuck fluid in it, and I can drive it.
Fluids.
I've got to chuck power steering.
Yeah. Where's your drum of tranny juice?
Tranny fluid.
And they bolt right in. Just.
Yep. Yeah, don't have to do anything.
Hey. Whoa. I have to blow that part out.
Too rude.
Look at how high it sits.
Wow, for $150 barra, BF.
That's mid.
Better 5 class to fix
Yeah,
that.
we'll just edit some. You can use AO edit like a little piece in there, a little white and a black piece. Thank you, Friday deals at the local wreckers. Davo is in a very positive mood today from Friday Fun Day.
Well, we had an adventure.
That's right. Go to your local wreckers on Friday for great deals.
I even said, mate, are you in a good mood? Thanks for that.
So we got a Territory power steering pump.
Or is it? Oh yeah. Is it how
We
you
got a
pit
power
my
steering.
ride?
We got a power steering. You want to check this ride out? Come on, man. Check this power steering. We use Territory. BABFG SXY Territory. We just whip that in there. Whipple. Damn, it's in there. Look at that. No
Boys.
leaks here.
No.
We don't have coolant. If anyone in the comments knows how to fix coolant, how do you?
What about a cap?
What do you do with
Does
this?
it need a cap?
What do we do? Can anyone?
Is this like a 30-year-old cap? Ooh. Oh, is this the finger challenge? Who can do it? Who can get the clamp on?
I can't. My fingers are fucked. I mean, bad.
Bang!
Done. 30 seconds. That's a barra swap.
That's a tool. Barra swap. So this Akadaka is a...
Yeah.
You got a delete kit.
Yeah.
So that is not vertical, it's in a little bit.
Yeah.
You're going to put like an air intake here going to a box. And then you're going to work out somewhere to put Hooten.
Yeah. Yeah, it drives, so it doesn't really matter, does it?
It's all
It's
good.
stock. It's stock. It says it right there. Stock. With a love heart above it.
Yep. It's just accidentally dented or broken.
Stock. How did they look at that? Love hearts.
Oh.
Apparently you can put a use.
Excuse me?
Wait. Oh, no, I don't know. That was the man.
How close are the sumps? Can you just put an XH sump on the barra?
to clear the X. To clear the
Oh, it's straight fit, mate. It's direct fit.
Well, that's what this is. So.
I don't know what clearance you're talking about. Well, you can't clearance this anymore because you've got two doodads right there.
Variable
So
cams.
you need
More
the
variable.
bulge.
Should I run the thermostat? Do you reckon take the thermostat out?
Why is there no bleed nipple right there?
We can tap one in.
We should do that. We should totally do that.
Where did I put that?
We should totally. Oh.
Yeah, it's still. It
That's
sounds
that's
alright.
pretty amazing. Like, not the right engine. It still has a factory exhaust.
And a factory BTR.
And yeah, the engine bolts up
And
to
a
the
rear main seal.
Hey, it was $150. The oil leak's free.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Stop, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
what did I say? 38 or 39? I got 3 litres in there, dude.
38.
So all the haters out there, get out of here.
So this was the XH Ford Falcon Barra startup video. Stick around, there's more to come. Room for a turbo?
The intercooler.
Well, hang on, doesn't the intercooler pipe go under the alternator?